It's my birthday month, and one of the gifts I decided to treat myself to was this Louis Vuitton Large Agenda cover. So I recently purchased myself the Louis Vuitton Large Agenda cover as a part of my efforts of celebrating my birthday the way only I can do it. So I have this list of things that I want, which aren't really necessary. They're literally just wants. And on this list are a bunch of gifts and random things, from designer beauty products to designer accessories that just up my aesthetic. Now, around my birthday, I like to go and pluck off some of these things from my list, as well as share it to my family and friends so they can know exactly what it is to get me for my special day. So this list is basically a new note that I have in my Notes app on my iPhone. And if you know anything about the Notes app, you are able to share it with other people so that they are able to add or subtract from the list. Specifically around my birthday, I will buy things from this list, or my folks will send me things from this list, and I will stockpile them. I would take off the shipping label, leave everything in the box unopened, and when my birthday comes, I'll select from the pile of gifts and open them, not knowing what's in the box. But one thing's for certain and two things for sure, it is definitely going to be something that I absolutely want because it came off the list. I really love doing this for myself because not only do I do it for my birthday, I do it random times throughout the year where I can just always guarantee that I want for nothing, even if it's little unnecessary things like this planner. The accessories I got from my planner were mostly custom, like this Filofax custom inserts were customized online to start on a date that I chose, which was July, which is my birthday month, because that is when I am starting the inside of the planner. I bought a lot of other things from places like Etsy and Amazon to bring my planner to life. But to start it off, I knew I wanted to do a little bit of my own decorating on the inside. So what I did was go on Amazon and I bought some blank A5 paper. A5 paper is the size that fits inside of the large agenda cover. So what you can do is make your own inserts, or you can buy them offline. And what I noticed was buying them offline really added up. So I figured, since I'm creative, why not just do it myself? So I'm going to go on Etsy and maybe find a template package that comes with several different versions of inserts that I can just print myself and edit down to be exactly what I need. But in the meantime, I also found a few accessories that I thought was cute. So on Etsy, I came across this remarkable dashboard insert, which is what they call fluted or something like that. But anyway, it gives this look of distortion to the page that's going to be behind it. And I really like that look. My thoughts are that I can print my own quote or something that I really like that's relatable to me and print my own logos to just make it custom to my aesthetic. I noticed early on when I got a few of these accessories that customizing your planner to be exactly the way you want it can be really expensive. I mean, the planner itself was nearly $1,000. So all these accessories and inserts only add fuel to the fire, but what are you going to do? Well, one of the things I did was find this seller on Etsy called Preppy Cat, and they had these cute little accessories that I just couldn't pass up. So what I liked about this accessory was that it was a paper clip with the Louis Vuitton motifs on it. I thought that was cute. It's a little page marker, and you can mark off the page that you are on in your planner, and it looked like jewelry basically for your agenda. In my mind, I feel like the more custom I make my agenda, the more likely it'll be that I will use it every single day, because at this point it's an investment and I need a return on my investment. And just a little side note, I really love when Etsy sellers go above and beyond with their little customized gifts. Look, they added my initial to a paperclip. So to run it back, to get my Louis Vuitton agenda cover started, I bought some A5 blank inserts from Amazon. I bought some customized calendar inserts from Filofax, as well as a fluted dashboard and paper clips from Etsy. This was my initial purchase because I did not want to overdo it. Plus, I wanted to try my hand at customizing things for myself. One of the projects I plan on doing with the blank paper is to print off some of the checklists I have in my notes app. I have several random checklists in my notes app that are just filled with to-dos and ideas and different things that I wanted to bring to life but just get buried in my notes app. So I'm going to print those off on an A5 paper and eventually add them to my agenda. But for now, I'm adding my customized inserts from Filofax and my fluted dashboard. As I give my agenda some more thought, I will be pulling together some ideas and showing y'all and updating you on the customized ideas that I'll be bringing to life. For now, I'm just going to get some of the parts bit by bit so that way I don't overwhelm and overconsume when it comes to the accessories and the add-ons for my agenda cover. I can already see how addicting, adding to this agenda can be. So I'm going to pump my brakes for a little bit, give it a little breather, give it a little look over, and pull my ideas together. So I'll see you in the next video where I begin customizing my inserts and showing you how I'm going to pull together some ideas from my Glowforge. So you may even see some of my creations become available for sale. And if they do, they will be available in the description along with their links. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments if this influenced you to get your own agenda cover. More specifically, let me know if my setup influenced yours.
I don't have to find an aesthetic. I am an aesthetic. I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out here right now who's going into Pinterest trying to type up all these adjectives to describe me.